Did you know? Email marketing delivers up to 4,400% ROI. That's right. For every dollar you spend, you could earn $44 back. Whether you're a small business or a large corporation, email marketing is one of the most powerful tools to boost your business growth. In today's video, we're diving into the power of email marketing best practices. From understanding what email marketing is to optimizing your campaigns, we've got it all covered. Let's get started. But here's the truth. Email marketing remains a gold mine for businesses of all sizes, offering unparalleled opportunities for engagement and conversion. Why? Because it offers an incredible return on investment, making it one of the most cost-effective marketing strategies available. Think about it. Your inbox is a direct line to your customers, a channel that allows for personalized and targeted communication. It's a space where you can nurture relationships, build brand loyalty, and drive sales, all while providing value to your audience. It's a powerful tool that allows you to connect with your audience on a personal level, delivering valuable content directly to their fingertips. Whether you're sharing the latest news, offering exclusive deals, or providing educational content, email marketing keeps your audience engaged and informed. Whether you're a startup just finding your feet or an established enterprise looking to expand, email marketing can be your secret weapon for sustainable growth. The key to success lies in understanding your audience and crafting messages that resonate with them. But like any powerful tool, email marketing requires a strategic approach. It's not just about blasting out generic messages and hoping for the best. It's about creating tailored content that speaks directly to the needs and interests of your subscribers. To truly harness its power, you need to understand the best practices, the tools, and the strategies that will set you apart from the competition. In this comprehensive guide, we'll delve into the world of email marketing, equipping you with the knowledge and insights you need to turn your email list into a revenue-generating machine. Let's get into the details. What's email marketing? It's about building relationships one email at a time. Email marketing is much more than just sending out promotional emails. It's a strategic approach to communication that involves understanding your audience and delivering messages that resonate with them. It's about building lasting relationships with your audience. These relationships are nurtured over time through consistent and meaningful interactions. Imagine email marketing as a conversation, a two-way street where you're not just talking at your customers, but engaging with them, listening to their needs, and providing them with value. This engagement fosters trust and loyalty. At its core, email marketing is about permission-based communication. This means you are communicating with people who have shown interest in your brand by opting in to receive your emails. You're reaching out to people who have explicitly given you permission to enter their inbox. This permission is a powerful indicator of their interest and engagement. This means they're already interested in what you have to offer, making them a highly receptive audience. They are more likely to engage with your content and take action. Through email, you can share your brand's story, highlight your products or services, offer exclusive deals, and provide valuable content that resonates with your audience. This helps in creating a strong brand presence. It's a way to stay top of mind, nurture leads, and guide them through their customer journey. By providing relevant content at each stage, you can move prospects closer to making a purchase. But remember, the key to successful email marketing lies in building genuine relationships. Authenticity and transparency are crucial in maintaining these relationships. It's about understanding your audience, segmenting your lists, and delivering personalized content that speaks directly to their needs and interests. Personalization can significantly enhance engagement and conversion rates. Who can benefit from email marketing? A solution for every business. One of the most beautiful aspects of email marketing is its versatility. It's not a one-size-fits-all solution. It's a powerful tool that can be tailored to benefit businesses of all shapes and sizes across all industries. Are you an e-commerce store looking to boost sales and drive traffic to your website? Email marketing can be your secret weapon for showcasing new products, offering exclusive discounts, and recovering abandoned carts. Perhaps you're a B2B company aiming to generate leads, nurture prospects, and establish thought leadership. Email marketing allows you to share valuable insights, white papers, and case studies that position you as an industry expert. Even bloggers, nonprofits, and creators can harness the power of email to grow their audience, build a loyal following, and drive engagement with their content. No matter your industry or business model, email marketing provides a direct line to your audience, enabling you to connect with them on a personal level and achieve your marketing goals. Now, are you ready to unlock the power of email marketing for your business? Whether you're a marketer or business owner or freelancer, email marketing can be a game changer for you. Let's break down the process into actionable steps that will set you on the path to success. Step 1. Define your goals. This is the foundation of your email marketing strategy. What do you want to achieve with your email marketing? It's crucial to have a clear vision. Do you want to increase brand awareness, drive sales, generate leads, or nurture customer relationships? Each goal requires a different approach. Having clear goals will guide your strategy and help you measure success. Step 2. Build your email list. This is your most valuable asset in email marketing. Your email list is your direct line to your audience. The bigger and more engaged it is, the better your results will be. Focus on growing it organically by offering valuable incentives like lead magnets, free trials, or exclusive content in exchange for email signups. This ensures that your subscribers are genuinely interested in what you have to offer. Step 3. Choose the right email marketing platform. This decision can make or break your email marketing efforts. Select a platform that aligns with your needs and budget. There are many options out there, so take your time to find the right fit. Consider factors like ease of use, automation features, analytics, and integrations, such as MailChimp, easy for beginners with drag and drop templates and basic automation. HubSpot, comprehensive, integrates email with CRM for advanced tracking. ConvertKit, perfect for creators with simple automation and segmentation. ActiveCampaign, known for advanced automation features, ideal for complex workflows. Constant Contact, user-friendly with powerful analytics, great for small to mid-sized business. These features will help you streamline your efforts and track your success. Step 4, segment your audience. This is where you start to get more strategic. Divide your email list into smaller, more targeted groups based on demographics, interests, or purchase history. This allows you to tailor your messages to each group. This allows you to send more personalized and relevant emails, which can significantly improve your engagement rates. Step 5. Craft compelling content. Your content is what will keep your audience engaged. Your email content should be engaging, valuable, and visually appealing. Think about what your audience wants to see and how you can provide value. Use a conversational tone, personalize your messages, and include clear calls to action. This will make your emails more relatable and actionable. Step 6. Automate your emails. Automation can save you a lot of time and effort. Set up automated email sequences for welcome emails, abandoned cart reminders, post-purchase follow-ups, and more. This ensures consistent communication with your audience. This saves you time and ensures consistent communication, allowing you to focus on other important aspects of your business. Step 7. Analyze and optimize. This is where you fine-tune your strategy. Track your email, open rates, click-through rates, and conversions. These metrics will give you insights into what's working and what's not. Use this data to identify what's working and make adjustments to improve your results. And that's it. Email marketing is not just about sending emails. It's about building relationships, driving engagement, and growing your business. By following these best practices, you'll be well on your way to creating powerful email campaigns that deliver real results. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your network. And don't forget to subscribe to Codecraft Cafe for more expert insights on digital marketing and business growth. Thank you for watching and happy emailing.